Hello everyone, today I have my November catlady box. The theme for this was kitchen, I believe, and that the artwork, and yes, kitty kitchen is the theme. Oh. First thing I am pulling out is one of the cat toys, and it is Marge the Meowgen handmade cat toy. It looks like just a piece of margarine. Can't talk today. Butter. There. And it was handmade by Crochet Kitty. And it says, "This sweet pad of a Meowgen," I can't do it, "may not do well on mashed potatoes, but we promise it'll be a meowsing playtime pal for your kitties. Handmade with our signature sniffy nip," and it retails for $6.99. Then there's this next one, and it looks like a turkey leg. And yep, it's turkey leg catnip toy. It says, "Serve up a perfect play feast with this handmade turkey leg toy. Ultra premium catnip gives it an extra kick of potty worthiness," and it retails for $4.99. Next thing I am pulling out are these measuring spoons, which is handy because I needed some more. Because I have no idea where mine are at the moment because we're in the process of moving. So, here's that, and just a whole bunch of measuring spoons. And this says, "Retro Meowsering Spoons, secret kitchen recipe, 1 tablespoon of fluff, 1 teaspoon of cute, and a dash of mischief. Precise amounts are important. Display-worthy retro color and a sweet cat head ring for easy wrangling," and it retails for $11.99. Bagheera is over here trying to get into stuff, so see how that goes if he knocks anything down. Next is what I was able to pick. They let you pick sometimes. Recently, we've been able to pick for every month recently. I think they've always done that. I'm not 100% sure. But they're cat dish towels. And this is retro cat dish towels, and there are 2 of them. Meowdern graphic cat design decorates this super absorbent 100% cotton dish towel set, making kitchen chores unexpectedly catastic. Dish duty just got possum, and it retails for $18.99. And this is what this one looks like. They are a nice size also. And then this is the second one. So it's really cute, and they do feel nice. Okay. Then the next thing I have is the shirt, and it's Kitty Cat Bakery Fresh Biscuits Daily, it says. This is what it looks like. Very cute. And the card says, "Kitty Cat Bakery Shirt. Cat ladies regard biscuits as an important food group, so there's always a line at the Kitty Cat Bakery with snuggly long sleeves, fall-feeling navy, and adorably delicious design. This tee is the next best thing to actual kitty biscuits. Retail value is $24.99. Now, the last thing in here, which I'm not sure I can get to since Kissy is decided to go in the box with her fat bum. Oh, geez, she's heavy. But anyways, Kissy says hi and she's mad that I took her out of the box. But anyways, I'm going to pull out what's in here and then put her back in the box. Oops, fell out. Okay. Hey! They were fighting over the box. I need multiple boxes. But anyways, this is a cooling rack. Kitty cat cooling rack. Says freshly baked treats get to cool on this pretty kitty wire rack. Fabulous enough to leave on the counter even when the yummies are gone. That's just inspiration to bake more. And it retails for $18.99. So it's really cute. And here's stoppers. And then the featured cat lady artist is Dex Art. Barb and Mike are a husband and wife team that loves cats, dogs, and mid-century modern decor. Dex Art Prints offers a wide variety of unique designs, including cat and dog gifts, wedding and anniversary ideas, laundry room decor, and kitchen art. They pride themselves on high-quality printing, exceptional customer service, quick response, super fast turnaround, and shipping. And they have a whole shop. Their Etsy is etsy.com/shop/DexMex. And that is all I have for you guys today. I hope y'all, actually, not all I have. I also added on a shirt. You're able to add on shirts and such after you pick your item, but I added on another shirt. This is one that they've had for a while, and I just thought it was cute. There's some other shirts that I kind of want from them still, but I'm not sure if I'm going to get them. I think they have extra Halloween shirts left, but I don't know if they have them in my size anymore. I think that's why I didn't add them on, because I think you were able to add them on. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great day. Buggy says bye. And yeah, bye.